everybody, welcome back to Chrissy's Corner. In today's video, since spring is upon us, we're going to be planting some salad items for when we cook in the future. Alright, here we got our lettuce, but before we get to planting it, I want to tell you some fun facts about it. Number 1, don't store them near apples or bananas because they can cause it to rot faster. And China grows half of the world's lettuce. Lettuce is 95% water, so it cannot be frozen. And dark green leaves are more nutritious than the light green leaves. So now that I've told you all these fun facts, let's get to planting. Here we are at a patch with our lettuce. We have cultivated the soil with some nice manure and stuff. So now we're going to be planting our lettuce and we'll get back to you guys. Alrighty guys, we've got our lettuce nicely planted here, and I've got my makeshift water can out of a broken bottle. And we're just going to water them real quick and then we'll get to our rocket here. So, here we have our rocket. It grows like a rocket. It will be ready in a few weeks for planting it. It has a peppery taste and likes full sun. It is self-seeding, so you'll always have some pop up, like a rocket. So now let's get planting them. Alright, we're at our patch and we're only going to be planting 3 of them because they grow very wild and stuff like that. So we're going to be planting them next to our lettuce right here. Pull it out.
It's a lovely sunny day today.
Very sunny and very hot. That's why I don't wear black. Very hot.
The chickens.
Ah, yes, the chicken's very, very loud. Alrighty guys, we finished planting our lettuce and rocket. So make sure you guys like and subscribe. So I'll see you guys in the next one.